What does it take to make the world a fairer place? Perhaps a little change in perspective. Thermax's newly inaugurated manufacturing facility for water and wastewater treatment is a testament to this belief.
At Thermax SPG factory, which we have recently made, our idea was to have diverse views, inclusive views, and with that intention, we had planned from day one how can we have more women to participate.
Since 5 months ago, I have joined Thermax as a DAT. Joining Thermax is a good decision for me for my financial independence, future goals, and career growth.
माझं नाव श्रद्धा कटके. मी नाशिक इथून आली आहे. मी इथे CNC कटिंग मशीन ऑपरेटर म्हणून जॉईन झाले.
During initial phase of the factory operations, it was quite difficult to get work done from newly joined women employees. But however, upon continuous training, instructions and follow-ups, the processes are set now.
रोबोटिक्स मशीनवर मला खूप काही नवीन शिकायला मिळालेलं आहे. जसं की रोबोटिक्स प्रोग्रामिंग, रोबोटिक्स स्टिचिंग, रोबोटिक वेल्डिंग.
Our aim is to create an inclusive workforce to have different perspective, and we are basically fostering a culture where everyone is being heard and motivated and to bring some value.
I joined Thermax as a DAT. I'm operating CNC plasma machine. I am so glad because I got new vision for new career.
Typically in Thermax, we would have seen women in roles like HR, finance, but we took a complete 180-degree shift and we thought, why don't we have our technical team or our technicians from this particular background? And to our surprise, we were able to recruit 4 of them and they are taking care of all heavy machinery. Not only that, we have also installed state-of-art V-Store, which is a vertical store, and it's also completely managed by women.
स्टोअरमध्ये आम्हाला खूप काही शिकायला भेटलं. आम्हाला इथं ज्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज सांगितल्यात त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही काम करतो आणि आम्हाला जर काही कल्पना सुचल्या तर आम्हाला त्या सरांना सांगून आम्ही इथं ॲक्टिवेट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय.
Most of our critical machines like CNC cutting machine, rolling machine, robotic machines, even the digital stores, those are getting operated by these women candidates.
Nowhere you would have imagined women managing paint shop, but here we have women who come out with ideas which is helping us save pollution because we are able to recycle the water which is coming out from our paint booth and it is being utilized again.
So at water division, we are basically aiming to have more diverse workforce so that it brings more perspectives, more experience, viewpoints, and so that we can able to fix any problem with some innovative approach.
Right now we have 11% women, but going forward this percentage I can see very clearly. It can go about 25%. Their way of working is quite different and that is adding a different flavor.
Working with Thermax has empowered me and given me the confidence to take my own decision, and also it has brought in financial stability. I feel proud that I am working with the Thermax team.
So I think this action from Thermax, this action from SPG team has really helped bringing a different and a diverse view.
Together we are making a difference. Together we stand for diversity, equity and inclusion.